On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 ways to fix Instagram not working after updating. So the first way is go to the settings, open the apps manager. When you open the apps now right here, all what you want to do is scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, and now all what you want to do, the first way is click on force stop and go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete. And the second way is you have to go into the permissions and make sure that the permissions are enabled, because sometimes the problem is just because you didn't enable all the permissions for Instagram. And the third option and the last one is you have to just remove or uninstall Instagram from your phone and re-download it in the Play Store or the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.